If you think the sun is big, you are about to realize just how tiny we actually are in a universe that hides monsters beyond your worst nightmares. Imagine an object so large that it could swallow our entire solar system thousands of times over without even breaking a sweat. We are talking about Tan 618, the heavyweight champion of the cosmos. It is not just a black hole, it is a cosmic beast that defies every law of physics we thought we knew. Today, we are looking into how this giant was found and why its existence actually scares some of the smartest scientists on Earth. By the time we finish, you will see a size comparison that will genuinely make your brain hurt. Back in 1954, astronomers were looking at radio waves in the sky and found something incredibly bright. At first, they were confused because it looked like a faint blue star, so they gave it a pretty boring name, TON 618. But as technology got better, they realized this was no star. It was a quasar. A quasar is basically the glowing, screaming mouth of a supermassive black hole. The light we see from Ton 618 is brighter than 100 trillion stars combined. To put that in perspective, if you replaced our sun with this quasar, it would be so bright that it would look like a blinding spotlight from billions of miles away. It is one of the most distant and oldest things we have ever seen in space. To understand how heavy this thing is, we need to talk about numbers that sound completely fake. Our sun is huge, right? You could fit a million Earths inside it. Well, Tan 618 is 66 billion times more massive than the sun. Even the black hole at the center of our own galaxy, Sagittarius A star, is a tiny baby compared to this. Our local black hole is about 4 million times the mass of the sun. That sounds big, but Tan 618 is over 15,000 times heavier than that. It is so wide that if you started at the center and traveled at the speed of light, it would take you weeks just to reach the edge. If our solar system was the size of a coin, TON 618 would be the size of a massive stadium. So what is it like near this monster? It is a literal graveyard for stars. The gravity is so incredibly strong that it rips planets and stars apart before they even get close. This creates a massive spinning disk of hot gas and dust. This gas spins so fast that it heats up to millions of degrees, which is why it shines so brightly. It is a place where time slows down and the very fabric of space is stretched like a rubber band. If you fell in, you would be stretched out like a piece of spaghetti in a fraction of a second. The real problem for scientists is how Ton 618 even exists. It is over 10 billion light years away, which means we are seeing it as it was when the universe was very young. How did a black hole get that big that fast? It should not have had enough time to eat that much stuff. This mystery challenges everything we know about how galaxies grow. It is a cosmic anomaly that should not be possible, yet there it is, sitting in the dark, growing larger every single day. It is terrifying to think about, but Tyne 618 is a reminder that we are just a tiny speck in a very big, very strange ocean of stars.